Hi, little ones. Today, we're talking about friends and what makes our friendships so special. It's like making a yummy recipe, but instead of cooking, we're creating awesome friendships. Ready to find out how? Friendship is like a delicious recipe that requires certain ingredients to make it special. Let's explore the ingredients needed to create and nurture strong friendships. Kindness. Show kindness by being friendly, helpful, and respectful to others. Empathy. Try to understand how others feel and be there to support them. Listening. Give your full attention and listen when your friends want to share their thoughts or feelings. Sharing. Be willing to share your toys, belongings, and experiences with your friends. Trust. Build trust by being honest, keeping promises, and respecting each other's secrets. Acceptance. Embrace and appreciate each other's differences, quirks, and unique qualities. Laughter. Have fun together, enjoy jokes, and create joyful memories. Forgiveness. Learn to forgive and let go of small misunderstandings or mistakes. Support. Offer encouragement and be there for your friends during both happy and challenging times. Loyalty. Stand by your friends, support them, and be a trustworthy companion. Now let us see the method. First, take a generous amount of kindness and sprinkle it into your daily interactions. Mix empathy with a dash of understanding to create a strong connection. Stir in active listening to make your friends feel valued and heard. Share your toys, ideas, and experiences generously, making sure everyone feels included. Build a foundation of trust by being honest, reliable, and respecting each other's boundaries. Embrace and celebrate each other's differences, creating a warm atmosphere of acceptance. Add laughter and joy to your friendship by sharing funny moments and creating happy memories together. Learn the art of forgiveness, understanding that everyone makes mistakes. Offer support and encouragement to lift each other up during both good and challenging times. Finally, seal your friendship with loyalty, being a true friend through thick and thin. By following this recipe for friendship, you can create strong and lasting relationships. Enjoy the journey and cherish the wonderful friendships you create along the way. There you go, our super easy recipe for making strong friendships. Now, who's your best friend, and why do you love them? If you liked our friendship talk, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun, and always remember, you are the most important part of any friendship. See you next time, happy playing.